So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel KS Automation. So in this video we will learn about RsLinx communication software tool of the Studio 5000. So let's get started. If you new on my YouTube channel, so please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So what is the RsLinx tool? So here is a two RsLinx tool you can find from RsLinx, RsLinx tool. So what we can do with the help of RsLinx tool? RsLinx RS, here you can see RsLinx Classic launch control panel. So right click, and what we can do with the help of RsLinx Classic. So if start, click on start, here is a, we can see here, so it is a RsLinx Classic launch service. So here we can see RsLinx Classic application is not running, means that right now RsLinx Classic communication software of the Studio 5000 is not running. And here we can see two options, first start and second stop. When click on always run service, means that we cannot required to start, we cannot required start or stop service. So you know that service in computer, all software, when we use any software like Studio 5000, Factory Talk B Studio, Factory Talk B Studio SE, Factory Talk B Studio ME, Studio 5000, Studio 5000, Studio 5000 Emulate. So all these software required to run in background of the computer services. You know that service. So all software depend on the service of the computer. It is a service. We can see running service is right now. If service is stop, so we cannot able to run any software. You know that. So this is a service, directly service. From here we can start and stop directly service of the RsLinx Studio, RsLinx Classic communication software. So if click on start, so RsLinx Classic service is running. Right now RsLinx Classic service is running. So now what will be happen? Click on RsLinx Classic. When I click on RsLinx Classic, so we can see a pop-up. What is mentioned in pop-up? RsLinx Classic currently running as a service. To view or change RsLinx Classic configuration, to view, we can view configuration and we can change configuration of the RsLinx Classic communication software. The service must to be stop and RsLinx Classic start an application, means that before, if we want to start RsLinx Classic communication software, so must before start stop the services. Stopping all service, we will stop all communication, we will start all communication and many impact other client. Example, when already communicate Studio 5000 with RsLinx Classics, so on that time if stop the service, so communication will be break. When we click on stop service, so what will be happen? Stop service, so we can able to use RsLinx Classic communication software. Here is showing RsLinx Classic application is starting. and RsLinx Classic communication software is started. If again click stop, means that services of RsLinx Classic is stopped. We cannot start RsLinx Classic.